So a little bit too long now. Yeah. So I use my other wrench.
I wish.
No. Well, we're gonna remove this control over here. White Roger. You guys see that? I don't know. I don't got nothing else then. Madame, Monsieur, this is a piece of. Well, I got too many wires over here. Oh, jeez. You see first brown, look. See over here. Wires crack, look at that. Right there, look, 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 look. Oh, ooh, oops. The whole thing came apart. Right, so. This is, look, look. Look, 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 look. This is the wire for this motor here, look. Look, look, look. Oops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look. That's one problem right there. That's why you don't have no heat. Okay. Keep it together because you don't want to mess them up. Okay, so the other one is the white one, simple one. Again, look all those cracks in the white. Look, 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 look. See over here? Crack, I mean the white is, look at that, toasted, look, look, look. So, you see it, look, look, so. If it's tapping the wrong and the end switch stay open, it's not gonna run. Seal the pump. The pump will look good. See if it's leaking too, you know. I know that's another giveaway too. You come over here and look how much play. I mean, this is big time play. Look at that. You're not supposed to have that. Look. That's another sign. Just give it away. Yes. I mean, this thing got like a half-inch play. They're not supposed to have that. I don't even know how this thing was running, really. So, I mean, it's crazy. Fun part of it is I gotta get this coupling, and sometimes this coupling they don't want to come out.